Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I did a review on the Rose Water Bite-Size Eyeshadow Palettes. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a review on the Pumpkin Pie Bite-Size Eyeshadow Palette by e.l.f. I created this eyeshadow look I have on right now. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But first, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite-Size Eyeshadow Palette in Pumpkin Pie. e.l.f. Cosmetics recently released the Bite-Size Eyeshadow Palettes. They come in 8 different versions. They retail for $3. First, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with concealer. I'm going to be leaving the concealer wet and not setting it with powder. This is going to help blend the eyeshadow better. The first shadow I'm going to be using is the darkest shade in the palette. I'm going to be applying that on my outer corner and dragging that all along the crease of my eye. I'm going to be keeping that shadow away from my inner corner so the inner corner does not get too dark. The next shadow I am going to be using is the light brown matte shadow. I'm going to be taking that shadow and blending out the dark shadow I applied earlier. I'm going to be blending in back and forth in circular motions. I'm going to be using the same techniques to blend out the eyeshadow on my other eye. The shadows blend together perfectly. I am noticing that with this palette, there is not as much fallout as with the other Rose Water Bite-Size palette that I tried. Now I'm going to be taking concealer and cutting my crease. I'm going to be applying the concealer on the lid of my eye, and then I will look up, and that's going to leave the line where I want my crease to be. This is a trick for doing a cut crease with hooded eyes. Now I'm going to be taking the very tip of my brush and blending out the concealer into the eyeshadow so there are no harsh lines and everything can be blended together seamlessly. Now I'm going to be using the more copper tone shimmer eyeshadow. It is the lightest shimmer out of the two. I am going to be applying that all over the crease I just cut. Also, again, I am noticing that these shimmer shadows are way more pigmented than the other bite-size palette I tried in Rose Water. Now I am going to be going in with the darkest matte shadow in the palette. And I am just going to be taking that shadow and blending together where the matte and the shimmer shadows meet, so there's no lines there and everything can be blended together perfectly. Now I'm going to be taking that same shadow, but I'm going to be using a flat defining brush this time. I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line, so I'm going to be taking this dark shadow and applying it as close to my lash line as I can. Now I'm going to be taking the lightest matte shade and I'm going to be blending out my lower lash line. Okay guys, here's the final look. The shadows in this palette definitely create more of a copper toned eyeshadow look. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in me reviewing some more bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, please comment down below and let me know. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.